Creating your own odor eliminating toilet spray is fun, effective, and eco-friendly way to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. Here is a simple DIY recipe for you to try. Materials: a small spray bottle, 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol or witch hazel, 30 to 40 drops of essential oil, distilled water. Procedure: add the rubbing alcohol or witch hazel into the spray bottle. Add the essential oils of your choice into the bottle. Fill the rest of the bottle with distilled water, leaving a small space at the top so you can shake the mixture. Close the bottle and shake well to mix. To use, simply spray into the toilet bowl before you go. The oil and water will create a barrier on top of the water in the toilet, which will help trap and eliminate odor. Formulation tip: choose the right essential oil. Use essential oil with strong, refreshing scents. Eucalyptus, peppermint, and citrus oil like lemon or grapefruit work well for this. If you want to add in some antimicrobial properties, consider adding tea tree oil. Use an emulsifier. Essential oils and water don't mix naturally, so rubbing alcohol with hazel helps disperse the oil and the water, ensuring the spray is effective. Shake before use. Always remember to shake the bottle before use to make sure the oils are distributed throughout the water. Make it look nice. If your spray bottle is visible in your bathroom, consider adding a couple of drops of food coloring to the mixture to make it more visually appealing. Just be sure this won't stain your toilet. Experiment with scent. Feel free to experiment with different combination of essential oil until you find a scent you love. Some people might prefer floral scent, others might prefer clean, crispy scent. Remember, everyone's sense of smell is different, so what works for you might not work for everyone in your household. Experimentation is key to finding the right blend for everyone's noses. So enjoy your fresh, pleasant bathroom experience.